Yes, Qonto supports mobile payment solutions for businesses, offering both dedicated mobile payment terminals and a tap-to-pay feature that turns your smartphone into a terminal. Qonto provides its own line of dedicated mobile payment terminals, point-of-sale or POS devices that businesses can purchase to accept card payments in person. These are small, portable devices designed for professionals on the go. There are typically two models available, a pocket terminal which is more compact, and a pro terminal which usually includes a built-in receipt printer for a more comprehensive setup. These terminals come pre-configured with your Qonto account, connect via built-in 4G per 3G and Wi-Fi, and accept Visa and MasterCard, including contactless and mobile wallet payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Funds from transactions are generally settled to your Qonto account by the next business day. For an even more mobile solution, Qonto offers a tap-to-pay feature. This technology allows you to use your compatible smartphone, currently available on specific Android and iPhone models, as a contactless payment terminal, with no extra hardware or card reader needed. This feature is integrated directly into the Qonto mobile app. You simply open the app, enter the amount, and your customer taps their contactless card or mobile wallet on the back of your phone to complete the transaction. Like the dedicated terminals, Tap to Pay accepts major contactless cards and digital wallets, and the transactions are automatically reconciled with your Qonto account. This is a highly flexible, low-cost option for freelancers and businesses that need to accept payments anywhere.